The silent revolution in skincare. The rise of skin cycling in 2025. In the ever-evolving world of beauty and health, one skincare trend has quietly risen to prominence, capturing the attention of dermatologists, influencers, and beauty enthusiasts alike. Skin cycling. While initially popularized in 2022 by dermatologists on TikTok, this method has become a mainstay in 2025. With new science-backed variations and product lines tailored specifically for it. Skin cycling offers a structured, minimalist approach to skincare that emphasizes recovery and sustainability, especially amidst concerns about product overuse and skin barrier damage. In its essence, it is a nightly skincare routine split into cycles, typically over a span of 4 nights. Exfoliation, retinoids, recovery, and more recovery. This approach has gained traction not only for its effectiveness, but for its adaptability. Skincare brands are now launching skin cycling kits with numbered steps and even apps that alert users when it's time to switch phases. Dermatologists advocate for this method to allow active ingredients time to work without overwhelming the skin, reducing the risk of irritation. Skin cycling has become the skincare version of interval training, strategic, targeted, and gentle over time. In 2025, this trend reflects a broader consumer desire for smarter beauty solutions that are both evidence-based and practical. At the core of skin cycling lies skin barrier health, a concept that continues to dominate beauty discussions. With increasing awareness about pollution, climate change, and lifestyle stresses, consumers have turned their focus to protecting and healing the skin's outermost layer. Top ingredients in 2025 include postbiotics, squalane, and fermented extracts. The emphasis has shifted from stripping the skin with harsh actives to nourishing it with what it truly needs to thrive in a harsh modern environment. Parallel to skin cycling is the booming popularity of multi-use hybrid products, cosmetics that blend skincare and makeup. Think tinted serums with SPF, blushes that contain hyaluronic acid. Fewer steps, better skin. And this is reflected in global trends. Asian beauty routines are becoming more condensed. European brands are focusing on multifunctionality, and the American market is seeing a rise in science-backed simplicity. Finally, mental health and beauty are becoming inseparably linked. The phrase psychodermatology is now part of mainstream conversation. This emerging field studies the connection between emotional well-being and skin conditions. Stress-induced acne, eczema, and rosacea are no longer dismissed as myths. Beauty brands in 2025 are launching entire lines built around stress-reducing ingredients like ashwagandha, magnesium, and adaptogenic mushrooms. Guided facial massage, aromatherapy-infused creams, and mindfulness-based routines are no longer considered extras, they're foundational to skincare. Influencers speak about skin moments, not skin goals, emphasizing the emotional ritual of skincare rather than just the aesthetic outcome. Beauty is now wellness, and health is holistic.